Okay, we talked about this Microbrute on the Synth Geekery show just on Saturday, and all of these knobs have sticky, the breakdown of this rubberized paint that's on them. So I'm going to try the talcum powder method. This is just baby powder. I don't even think you can buy this anymore. It might be illegal. I don't know why, but anyway, baby powder and a Ziploc bag, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try one and see how we go. So I just want to use the Ziploc bag because I can seal. You just pull the knob off and you can see how sticky it is. It's sticking to my finger. So let's pop that in there, and then we'll put a bit of talc in here. So you just give it a bit. Doesn't have to be a lot, I don't think, from memory, from what I read. Now, all the budding chemists, you could probably tell me what's going on here with this this solution, right? You don't want to get, by the way, you don't want to have this open at all. You don't want this tipping over, so that's got to be sealed, right? So we're just coating, just going to coat it, the knob, in the talc, and just hopefully it's, I mean, I did chemistry in high school. Maybe it's to do with acid and alkaline, I'm not sure. This could be a complete fizzle. By the way, the knobs are going to look terrible after this, I think, but it's cheaper than buying a new synth and it's quicker. I just want to make sure my fingers are completely clean. I'm going to use just a microfiber cloth like this, and we're just going to wipe the residue off. Just do this off camera. We've already spilled a bit of talcum powder here. Now we're just going to pull that out, and you can see already the talc is everywhere, right? You are absolutely kidding me. This has worked. Wow. It definitely gets rid of it. That's not sticky at all now. So you can see that's not sticking to me. It looks a bit shitty. I'm gonna admit, it looks a bit shitty. But, job done. You don't need a lot. All that tiny little bit I put in that bag, I feel like it was enough. Anyway, we'll say it's a temp solution to this. Not a permanent solution, but definitely it's fixed it to the point where you're no longer getting grossed out by this. Yay, it feels like I want to use this again now. Yay! Alright, yeah. Messy, but it's a solution. Bye.